95% of agencies trying AI right now are about to lose their shirts because they're making the exact same mistake. The same deadly, money-burning, business-killing mistake that destroys almost every AI project before it even gets off the ground. But there's this kid, Braden Hernandez, just turned 19 and is making $400,000 in issue pay business while seasoned agents with 3 decades in the trenches that are grinding their souls away just to scrape together $50K. What he's figured out that everybody else is missing. He didn't start with a fancy AI tool, the shiny software, the expensive automation platforms that promise the world, but only to deliver headaches. He started with something way more boring. Something so simple that it almost sounds stupid. And that boring, simple, stupid sounding thing is making him filthy rich while everybody else is going broke, burning through cash and wondering why the AI dreams have turned into expensive nightmares. Stick around. I'm about to show you the one thing, the only thing that separates 5% who win big from the 95% who flush all their money down the toilet. I'm Arturo Johnson, and 5 years ago, I was broke as hell. A negative $90 in my bank account, waiting tables at night just to keep the lights on, wondering if I'd ever figure out this whole damn thing about a career. But today, my systems has helped over 1,200 agencies make millions to the tune of $100 million in issue pay business. Not by buying more leads, not by hiring more people or grinding more hours or praying to the insurance gods for a miracle when they show up to the office, but by building systems, machines that never take a day off, never ask for a raise, and never call in sick with a hangover. And that 19-year-old making $400K, Braden Hernandez, a real kid making real money, real results. And I'm gonna show you in this video the exact playbook, the step-by-step, so that you can steal it and use it in your own agency. So here's why 95% of agencies screw up AI. They start backwards. They see some shiny new app promising to solve all their problems, and then they throw all their money at it like a drunk sailor ready to leave shore. But their business is already a hot mess. Leads are scattered across 8 different systems like confetti after a parade. Teams, they don't know who to call first. Appointments that ghost them faster than a bad Tinder date. Then they slap AI on top of it and expect a miracle to happen. And they wonder why nothing is working. It's kind of like putting a Ferrari engine in a junk car with flat tires, no brakes, and a steering wheel held together by duct tape. The engine ain't the problem. The car is actually falling apart. It's a piece of crap. But the winning 5%, the top 1% of agencies, they fix the car first. Then they drop an engine in it. And that's why they win, while everybody else is burning money and their dreams. So, how do you join the winning 5%? Well, you're gonna do this in 3 steps. Simple as breathing. Step 1, find the leaks. We look at your mess, where your leads are hiding like scared rabbits in a thunderstorm. How fast do you call them? Do you wait 1, 2, 3 days like you're playing some twisted dating game? Why do people stand you up more than a prom date with cold feet? We find every hole, every crack, every lead that's hiding, every place that your money is bleeding out. Step 2 is we plug the holes. We fix the boring stuff first. Nobody ever wants to talk about that. They only want the shiny objects. The stuff that doesn't look sexy on Instagram, but pays your mortgage. Robots that call leads in 30 seconds flat. Systems that rescue no-shows and drag them back to your calendar. Machines that wake up old leads like some kind of digital necromancer. Your calendar starts filling up by itself while you sleep. Step 3, we're gonna add the magic. So now we're gonna pile on the cool stuff. Now we're ready for optimization. The AI phone girl who never has a bad day, smart follow-up that knows exactly what to say and when to say it, money-making loops that turn 1 customer into 10. You become untouchable. You become invincible, but more importantly, you become a system. A boring process? Yeah, it probably is, but it prints money like the Federal Reserve on steroids. Now, let me show you exactly what happens when you do this the right way. You see, my client Jeremy Hayes was sitting on 12,000 dead leads, and we brought them back to life The first month, 180,000 in new business from leads that he already owned. My client Christian, he was losing half of his appointments to no-shows, and we built him a rescue system, and now his no-shows have dropped by 60%, and overnight he made a ton of profit. Or Braden Hernandez, who started at zero experience, zero contacts, and we built the whole system from nothing. Month 1, 23K. Month 6, 100K. And by month 12, 400K. Only working 25 hours a week. Now, this isn't luck. This isn't magic. This happens when you build smart instead of hard. So right now, you're probably spending 40K a month on leads. Maybe 8% actually answer the phone. That's 36,800 thrown in the trash every single month. And the system that you're paying for that agent with the side hustle, 50 grand. But what you need is a system that cranks out leads and sales on autopilot. And if you keep doing it your way, that's 36,000 wasted every single month. But if you use the AI system, that's gonna put profit back into your business so that you can scale smarter instead of harder. You see, right now, you're renting leads. But my clients, they own the system. Renters stay broke and owners get rich. Look, this shift is happening with or without you. Every single day, more agents figure this out. And every week that you wait, they pull further ahead. I've watched 30-year-old pros get smoked by 19-year-old kids with better systems. Your experience doesn't mean squat anymore. Systems are everything. You can lead this change or you can be crushed by it. Better that you choose fast and choose now because the gap is widening every single day. Are you ready to build a money printing machine? Here's exactly how this process works. Dead simple, super easy. Step 1, grab the free scorecard. It's the AI agency infrastructure survey that takes 60 seconds. It's gonna show you exactly where your money is bleeding out like a busted pipe. Step 2, you wanna watch my masterclass. You wanna see exactly how the whole system is laid out like a blueprint. Like my client Jeremy, like my client Braden, who's only 19 years old. You wanna see the exact process, how we turn broke agencies into money printers. Step 3, if it makes sense, go ahead, book a call and let's talk. And we'll see if you're a good fit for our program. We only work with 3 agencies per month and only 12 per quarter. And why so few is because we don't sell courses. We don't just give you a generic template and wish you luck. We build your machine with you, custom, hand to hand, in the trenches to make sure that you have success, and we work with you until it works perfectly. This is a white glove, hold your hand, we don't get paid until you win type of stuff. So I want you to picture this. Monday morning, you wake up and you got 15 brand new, high qualified booked appointments over the weekend while you were watching fantasy football, all qualified, all ready to buy, all scheduled automatically by your digital army while you were rolled over sleeping like a baby. Your team is happy, you're finally happy, and it's because your team's closing deals instead of chasing dead-end leads and getting hung up on by people who hate their guts. And your stress is gone, it's evaporated because the machine runs without you. It works without you. It makes money without you having to babysit every single detail. And that's not some fantasy. It's actually not some pipe dream. It's the exact system that I built for my client Jeremy. It's the exact system that I built for a 19-year-old doing 400K and Braden. And that's what happens when you stop renting leads and start owning your entire system from beginning to end like a digital landlord, just collecting rent while you sleep. So here's the choice, and you got 2 of them, 2 paths. So pick one. Path 1, keep doing it the hard way. Buy more leads, make more calls, and continue to hope that things magically change while you do the exact same thing that got you stuck in the first place. Stay on the hamster wheel another year and let's see where you are. Watch your competition pull ahead and pass you while you're spinning your wheels like a car stuck in the mud. Or you got path 2, build a machine. Let us build your AI system for you so you can own your leads instead of renting them from vendors who don't give a damn about you or your success. Work 20 hours and make what others do grinding for 80. Braden chose 2, Jeremy chose 2, 500 other plus agencies chose option 2 and are making millions while their competitors are still buying leads from lead vendors, praying for miracles. Which choice makes sense for you? Which choice lets you sleep at night knowing that your business runs without you constantly putting out fires? So here's exactly what you need to know about timing. We only take 12 clients every single quarter. Right now, We only have 3 spots left. And then after that, you got to wait 90 whole days while your competition gets AI systems built. You wait while they steal the market share. You wait while they become an AI-powered agency that everybody talks about. Can you afford to wait and waste another $100,000 on garbage leads while you're sitting on the sidelines? The agencies that move fast, they win. The ones who hesitate, of course, they lose. The ones that wait get left behind forever in this digital AI gold rush. It's your call, but make it quick, because if you're ready to stop renting leads and start owning them, if you want to see how Braden at 19 years old makes $400K working 25 hours a week, if you're tired of the hamster wheel and ready to build a machine that works while you sleep, take the AI Agency Infrastructure Scorecard. The link is in the description. Take 60 seconds. It'll show you exactly where your money is bleeding out. Then watch the training, see how the whole system works, but more importantly, see the proof, see the results, see the real people, and see if you want to be our next case study. But I want to promise you, this ain't gonna last forever, so you need to move fast. Those last 3 spots, they will not last forever, because they never do. And once they're gone, they're gone. Because here's the truth of the whole thing. AI won't replace you, but the agency using AI will. And you can either be the machine or the hamster wheel. It's your choice. So what's it gonna be? And lastly, but more importantly, remember, you can do anything. So believe in your ability to figure it out. Let's go.